Hi, this is Lee from 3D 360. Today we want to speak about 3D printing jigs and fixtures. Here are two examples of two simple 3D printed drilling jigs that we use pretty much on a daily basis at 3D 360. We use these to help build and assemble our Ultimaker extraction hood that 3D 360 developed. In the back panel we require 4 4mm holes and one 6mm hole to aid us with the big hole saw that goes through the middle for the fan. If we had to, this is how we get the panels. If we had to mark this out and try and get the centres properly, it's a time-consuming job. So what we've done is we've developed this little fixture which locates on this datum face and this datum face. Pop it in, check it's down. Pilot hole, pilot hole. I should use a 6mm at this point, but I'm too lazy to change it. Or use a multiple drill. So then, pop them through. Don't try this at home, kids. Perfect. And that, repeatability wise, if I put all these over each other, everyone will be exactly the same, and it makes the process really quick, really simple. Now that is the benefit of 3D printed jigs and fixtures. They can be produced really quickly, really cheaply, really efficiently. If this starts wearing down, throw it away. 2 hours later we'll have another one. Exactly, perfect, accurate, and that is the true benefit of 3D printed fixtures. Also nice and light, handling, no fatigue for the operator, so it's a win-win for everyone. Thanks for listening, and look forward to producing more of these videos and educating you more about more complex 3D printed jigs, because we do that service, but this is just the start of 10. This is a nice simple one. Thanks a lot, speak to you soon, bye bye.